Hello students, myself Pallavi Parekh. Today we will start first chapter from SS, chapter title Rise of British Rule in India. Students, you have already studied about Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar in 8th standards. After Battle of Buxar, what happened that we are going to study now. Expansion of East India Company's rule. Many of the governors they came to rule, they ruled over us for a fixed time period. So let us take a look about all these things. Regulating Act that was passed by the British in 1773, under which Governor of Bengal made the Governor General. The Governor of Bombay and Madras were brought under his control. Now if we see the sequence wise, so first that was Warren Hastings. He became the Governor General of India. After him, that was Cornwallis. He took the charge as Governor General after Warren Hastings. During his tenure, the Third Mysore War was fought. After Cornwallis, Sir John Saul came to rule. He became the Governor General. But he was some rigid person. Due to his rigid policies, the fame of East India Company reduced. And that was the time when Marathas they became stronger. After Sir John Saul, that was Wellesley, who became the next Governor General. And Wellesley, as soon as he came to position, he applied subsidiary alliance system and expanded British rule by annexing many kingdoms. During his time, the Fourth Mysore War was fought in 1799 with the help of Nizam, and in that war, Tipu Sultan lost his life. Warren Hastings, he came after Wellesley. He became the Governor General after Wellesley. He waged a war with Nepal and made Gurkhas to join the British army. During Hastings' tenure, the Third Maratha War was fought and the supremacy of company was established. It was now about William Bentinck. No doubt he was the Governor General, but we all know about William Bentinck as he was known very well as the Liberal Governor General. He believed that dissatisfaction in different states due to the imperialist policy could not bring about any unity, and so he became liberal in his deeds. The last Governor General, that was Dalhousie. Dalhousie, no doubt he was also known as the reformist, but he applied the policy of annexation. He was the last Governor General. He became the Governor General in 1848. He was an imperialist and he adopted the policy of annexation for expansion the British rule in India. Thank you.